Good day guys, I'm Hassan Shakur and I'm from CAD Gizmo. Friends, in this video we are going to draw this shape in AutoCAD. So let's start the video. And guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. Friends, first we draw this outer circle which have the diameter of 219 units. Now we draw another circle which have the radius of 60 units. And we have the small circle which have the radius of 28 units. First we draw a line like this and we make this offset 23 units. 11.5 on both sides. units. Now we draw a line here and give the offset 35 units like this, 35 units. Now we use the trim tool, TR double enter, and we trim it like this, TR double enter, first we mirror it, now we trim it, TR double enter, and trim the circle also, and we change the layer of these lines like this. So now we draw this shape, and for that we draw a line here, press F8 for linear movement, and we give the offset 10 unit on both sides, and we check the dimension 20, same like that. Now we draw a circle here. The inner circle has a diameter of 40 units and the outer circle has a diameter of 60 units. And with the trim tool we trim these lines like this, and we delete this with the TR double enter, and now we use the array tool, and for that go to polar array, select the center point of the base point, and we need the 6 items, so we have 6 items, and click on close array. Select the circle and explode them with the X enter. Now we array these lines also, and for that we go to polar array, pick the center point and click on close array, and with the trim tool we trim these circle like this. So guys, in this way we make our shape. I hope you like this video. If you have any question related to this video, then please leave a comment or contact me on WhatsApp. And guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.